So guys, in today's Python Dsa video, I am telling you about the method. Okay, we are telling you about the method with Python Dsa. So please hit the like button, share your friend, and subscribe to my channel. And do not forget to all the notification bell also. So now I do not take a long time. So let's move to the computer screen and let's learn about what is the method in Python Dsa. So let's move to the computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, in today's Python Dsa video, I am telling you about the method. Like I have told you in my introduction, I am telling you about the method in Python Dsa. So in the previous video I have told you. So now let's learn about that. Now here's the systematic strategy we apply for solving the problem. So like in the next video I am solving the problem. So there is one and 6 systematic strategy let me told you. Like you are saying you are telling you about again and again. So but this is for your practice, okay, so that you have been not forgot that, okay. This is for you, okay. Now number one strategy is systematic strategy is first is you state the problem clearly and then identify the input and output formats, okay. First of all, like this is your problem, like let me go on my notepad, and this is your problem, like in this code, what is the in this Python code, please tell me what is the error. So now like this in the Python code, like I have make one comment like Python has comment. No, like here I like this is a comment, and then I write like here print will be hello world, and then here I write like my string 1 2. Now like this code I have wrote it. So like I have told you in the Python code, please tell me what is the type of error. So like first strategy is you state the problem clearly. Now let me state the problem clearly. Yeah, now I have stated the problem. Now identify the input and output formats, okay. Now let me identify. Okay. Now number 2, we come up with some examples, inputs and outputs, try to cover all edge cases, okay. Now let me come with some examples. Okay, like I am just giving you any yes, okay, this one example I am showing, like okay, now I have given, okay. Now I give some examples, input and inputs and output. Number 3 strategy is you come up with correct solution from the problem, state it in plain English, okay. Now let me state it. Now let me copy it, let me go here and let me write like Google Translate, like it's shape converted in the plain English. This is okay. Now I have converted. Now what is this saying? Number 4, implement the solution and test it using example inputs, fix bugs if any. Then what you can do is implement the solution and test it, and you use the example inputs, you fix up bugs if any. Number 5, you analyze the algorithm complexity and identify the efficiencies if any. Number 6, you apply the right technique to overcome the efficiency, repeat step 3 to 6. Then you do the all these 6 things. Then what you can do, then you come on here and then you can solve the error. So now let me solve the error. Okay, I am thinking. Now let me solve the error. So like I write like hashtag this is a comment and this is a error. I have solved it above. So this one error, like in the Python we do not write this like that. Here we can do not write comment like that, we write comment like that. So this is the error. So here you can see it. So this approach is explained in detail in lesson 1 of this course. Let's apply this approach step by step. So here you can see it. In today's video, I tell you about the method in Python Dsa. So I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share, friend, and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to all the notification bell also. So now I meet the next class and next very amazing class. So for today, goodbye.